Hi, welcome back. I hope you all have written about your expertise. Yes, I hope you all written about your niche. So, what are the things that you keep in your mind whenever you are doing the things which gives you money in some way, right? First of all, you should have the patience. Yes, patience is so important for everyone to keep, because when you start something and you're expecting that I get the return back in let's say 6 months or probably 8 months, 9 months, but this is not going to be happening in every case. You should have the when you have the patience and you have the consistent towards your niche, towards your expertise, then definitely you will get the success at the end of the day, because we somewhere we lack with the patience, and this is what you are not supposed to do, right? Then I'll give you one example here so that you are able to get it more easily. Just compare your education with your expertise. Let's say we have given 14 years to our school, 3 or 4 years to our college, 3 years for normal graduation and the 4 years for the engineer or so. In that case, you have given so much time to your education, and then along with that you have given so much of things that you have given time and your money. See, you have to do with your specialization. You have to give more of your time, and also you have to upgrade yourself. You have to upgrade your skills. You have to upgrade the things that require to being an specialist, right? If we are putting all these things together, I'm not saying that it will take 4 years or 14 years. I'm just saying it will take at least 2 years or probably 1 year in some cases. 1 or 2 years, you will be find that yes, I am able to get the return out of it, and you will be amazed if you see the return is so huge, right? So keep in the mind that you should have the patience, you should have the consistency towards it, you should upgrade yourself, and definitely keep working upon it, keep working upon your skills, develop your skills, right? Then only you will get an specialization in something and you will get the success, definitely. Now the next thing that you should take care of is your vision for a long term, not for a short term. When you think about a long term goals, keep the short term targets to yourself. Achieve those targets and see your progress. Right? This is how you can divide your goals into long term and short term. This is what is so important for you. Now the next thing is create an environment for yourself. In an environment where you are motivated yourself, where you are keep on doing the things, have that environment, keep that environment, create that environment for you, and then you are able to do the things. Then you are able to get the result in your life. If you have some people around you who are so negative, who are keep on saying the negative stuff, just stay away. Simply stay away with them, because the people who are not doing anything in their own life, they cannot tell you to do anything to you, right? So the people who are not so positive not so having the positive mindset, just keep away with them and create a positive environment for yourself. If you are not making a distance with them in your house, then you can keep the distance in your mind. This is also an important thing, right? Patience, consistency, environment, your long-term, short-term vision, your targets, it create and thing that gives you the monetization way, that keeps you the way you want to get the results in your life, right? And for most important thing is your communication skills. If you have some knowledge inside you, then you should communicate that knowledge. Work upon this thing, work upon your communication, work upon that, so that people come to know you. If you are not able to communicate with the people, how you can expect that they or anybody can know you, right? So communication skills are so important. You just keep working upon that. Now I would just wind up this from my last point is giver attitude. Your attitude is always matter. Like you are successful or not successful, that is a different thing altogether, but your attitude towards everything is matter. Your attitude should be like giver attitude, where you are supposed to give knowledge to the people, where you are supposed to give stuff that you have an extra to the people, right? Share your knowledge more and more, share the things that you have inside you, so that your attitude should be changed. If you are a person who was keep taking the things, who is keep holding the things, then I'm sorry to say, but you are not getting the success in life. Because for you, for everyone, it is important to have the giver attitude, and always feel, yes, you are blessed, always feel the gratitude inside you, always feel that, right? So work upon all these things, and you will definitely get the success in life. You will definitely get all the things that you want in life, right? Just keep working upon it and be the change.